Good morning. It's Saturday, September 13th, 2020. We're out here at Brazoria County Modelers Association Flying Field near the coast in Oyster Creek, Texas. This morning we're going to be flying an Eric Clutton Sharkface built from plans. And we're going to be powering it with a Cox RR1 049 engine. It's kind of a special engine to a lot of people, to the Cox engine collectors anyway. It's a bit of a rare engine. You'll see that it's blue and gold, and it has ribs machined in the tank and up here on the crankcase. Pretty high performance engine for its time. These were made in the late 50s and early 60s. Although they look like a regular revalve B engine, these were actually rotary induction. There's no revalve. They have a rear rotary induction, which predated the TDs with their front induction. And it has a little aluminum drum that turns, driven by a pin on the crankshaft. So interesting engine. It makes some interesting sounds along the way. It turns pretty good RPMs if it's tuned good. We'll see how it runs today. Like I said, these are kind of rare these days. They're pretty collectible. Most of these are in the hands of collectors and sitting on display shelves. I don't really know of anybody else still out flying these engines. We'll give it a go. This is the first start of the day. We'll see what happens. A cold start. We got to get the oil storage or after run oil out of the engine, replace it with some fuel. And they always start good when the camera's not rolling. You know how that goes. Getting closer. Some people say we use more fuel starting them than we do flying them. Driver's getting a little bit weak. I was hoping to do all this in one take. Off we go. It's a little rich. And she's about out. Small tank on these things. Go to high rates and we'll glide her on in. There you go. The Sharkface, designed by Eric Clutton back in the 1960s. It was designed with single channel rudder only control using an escapement system back then. I cheat a little bit, put an elevator servo on mine. The Cox RR1. A rare and nice running little engine. It was a little rich on that run. It does run a little bit better if you get it tuned good, but that's okay. A little rich never hurt. Little piece of model airplane history. Thanks for watching.